Samsung just launched their most premium flagship of the year, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And we all knew this was going to be an ultimate merge between the Galaxy Note series and the S series. Though many of us were hoping to see another Note model before it ends for good, the S22 Ultra quite seems to be that perfect alternative to your expected phone. A whole new redesign, upgraded stylus pen, better camera sensor, and most importantly, a powerful processor to get all your multitasking done smoothly. But even with all these upgrades, can the S22 Ultra fulfill the aperture of the Note series and satisfy the Note fans? To find out, watch till the end, as in this video, we will be showing you all the features and upgrades of Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra and find out how it performs against the Note 20 Ultra. So, without further ado, let's dive in. What set the S series and the Note series apart was the design and form factor. The S series always used to have a curved design with rounded corners compared to the square-shaped sharp corners of the Note series. But this time, Samsung entirely redesigned the S22 Ultra with the same form factor of a Note phone. And yeah, this phone has also been widened compared to S21 for housing the S Pen, which was previously dedicated to the Note series only. However, the S22 Ultra holds a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display compared to the 6.9 inches of Note 20 Ultra. So, you're less likely to feel any difference while holding the phones. Nevertheless, another key difference between the two devices was the stylus pen. Though Samsung previously made the S Pen compatible with the S21, this is the first ever S series phone that comes with a dedicated stylus. Besides, it has been hugely updated, making it ultra responsive, and its improved latency makes every pen stroke feel as natural as ink on paper. So you can instantly take notes, sketch, or doodle on the go with the new phone. As for the upgrades, the Galaxy S22 Ultra gets huge improvements both in the software and hardware section. Though both the S22 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra get similar camera lenses of up to 108 megapixels, you can capture more light shooting in a darker environment. There's also a new mode called Nightography that can capture more details regardless of the lighting situation. So, those who are fond of clicking pictures at night are surely going to love the new S22 Ultra camera. The front camera has also seen an upgrade. With a 40 megapixel selfie camera, you'll be able to shoot beautiful photos, whereas the Note 20 Ultra comes with a 10 megapixel front camera. Certainly, for video calls and FaceTime meetings, the S22 Ultra will be preferable. Samsung now also provides a whole new application called RAW, which will allow you to shoot videos without any pre-color grading, meaning you can get the exact file and color grade the footage based on your own preference. The Note series was immensely popular for its smooth multitasking capabilities. You could literally open multiple apps at the same time without dropping the performance. Well, to give you the same performance, the S22 Ultra comes in with the most powerful 4nm chipset to date, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And, according to Samsung, the new processor ensures a 52% faster GPU performance and at least a 24% CPU boost. So, no matter how tough your tasks get, the S22 Ultra is capable enough to deal with them efficiently. On the other hand, with the Note 20 Ultra, you'll get the old Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, which might seem good enough but cannot be the performance of its successor. To deal with all this multitasking and keep your work going for a longer period of time, you certainly need extended battery life. That's why Samsung now provides a 5000 mAh battery capacity with the S22 Ultra, whereas the Note 20 Ultra comes with a 4500 mAh battery capacity. Besides, Samsung has also upgraded the fast charging technology, as you'll be able to fast charge your device at 45 watts compared to the 25 watts of Note 20 Ultra. Overall, considering all the feature upgrades and redesigns, it seems Samsung has not let its fans down. Rather, they have created a powerful smartphone that can quite well replace your existing Note phone. What do you think of this new S22 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.